The Quick Order tool allows you to intuitively build your carts in record times. You can access the Quick Order tool from the Quick Links section of the homepage, or from the orange drop-down button on the main navigation. With the Quick Order tool, you can search for products by SKU or name. Don't forget to add your desired amounts in the quantity section. We have also provided a section for you to enter multiple SKUs at once. You'll want to make sure you separate this list with commas or paragraphs to make sure your products are accurate. If you would like to import a list of products from an existing file, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, the Quick Order tool only works with CSV files, so you must submit your file in that format. You can click the Download Sample link, where you'll be provided a spreadsheet template to work with. Next, you will need 2 columns in your file, one for your SKUs and one for your desired quantities. Once everything has been submitted, it will populate on the left of the page. Simply hit Add to Cart, and you'll be able to proceed in the checkout process.